welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Annie, and I have a special guest today, and his name is
Annie.
And who are you?
Kaden.
And what are we gonna do today?
To eat some candy.
We're gonna eat some candy. You heard it from his mouth, guys, from the horse's mouth. We are about to taste some Asian snacks that we bought at Chilsung Market in the east of Pretoria. So guys, if you stumbled upon my channel,
What's the bunny sweet?
the bunny sweets, we're gonna eat them. We're gonna try the bunny sweets. He's been begging me to try these bunny sweets. So if you guys stumbled upon my channel, like I was saying, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it if you can, and comment in the comment section below, guys. Yeah, let's get to it. Kaden, which one do you want to try first?
The bunny sweet.
Okay guys, we're gonna start off with the bunny sweets. These are called White Rabbit. I think I had these when I was a kid. I was in primary school and they were pretty good. So it's not really like a first tasting for me. I was kind of just buying them so I could eat them again. So let's see. Oh, this is mine. Guys, it's very okay. It's tough. Okay, it's tough, but like it's very tough, but very milky and I don't know. What do you think, Karen? You like spicy? Oh, nice.
Yes, Mama.
What do you like about them?
Nice.
Okay. Guys, I'm actually gonna take these sweets out of my mouth, not because I don't like them, but because it's taking me forever to chew. It's very chewy, but extremely delicious. I think I would finish this candy in my own time when I'm not filming. Guys, the best way to describe this is like, okay, it's not a hard candy because after you chew it a while, it kind of becomes manageable, but it's like a chewy, hardened condensed milk type of sweet, and it has this clear, what is it called, rice paper that kind of like melts in your mouth. So yeah, I'm gonna eat that in my own time. Next we're gonna try these. What are these? They're called pillows, and it looks like a cookie with like some kind of cream inside. So let's try this.
Creamy.
It's creamy, yes. Oh yeah, it's in the shape like of a little pillow. So let's try this.
The pillow.
This is so nice. This is so good. I know there's some scavengers waiting in the cut to try these snacks. It's very nice, guys. It's not too chewy. What color is the center? Let me cut one in half. Is it like a chocolate mousse? It's like a purple, very moussey texture in the middle. And then the outside is a little like crunchy, but not too crunchy. It's really good. And then, did you try it? Not yet. You're still eating your White Rabbit. Guys, I think I'm the only one eating everything. During this tasting, Kaden's only interested in the bunny sweets that he's been crying for. Next up we're trying these wafers. I really like wafer cookies. So when I saw these, I was like, this is it. And I also like coconut flavors stuff. Okay, that's very weird. It comes in like different compartments like this. Okay, so in each of these little packets, there's 3. I can already see this is going buzz. Ooh, it smells very. It smells like coconut. It smells very coconut. Very intense smell of coconut. Guys, listen, this is my favorite so far. These coconut wafer rolls are so good. You guys want to taste? Yes. Thanks. Yeah. Don't ask me for more. Oh my. You hear me? Oh my. Okay. Next one, white cookies. It's called Pepero. My nieces told me about this. Apparently it's really good. But you want to try some Pepero with me? Because you've been eating that same sweet. You see why I took my sweet out of my mouth? Because it takes forever to chew. You want to try some Pepero? But you had some with my tea the other day. Mommy didn't have any Pepero. So this is how it looks, guys. I was expecting something more relaxed. This is like some yogurt. It looks like yogurt with like granules of chocolate just sticking out. So I thought it was going to be like a smoother type of consistency slash paste over the cookie. What is this? A wafer cookie? It smells like it's very sweet. Oh, guys. Those coconut sweets are very sweet. It's really hurting my teeth. It's not bad.
It's like Oreo.
Yeah, it is. It is exactly like an Oreo, actually. Good analogy. No, one of my favorites. It's not bad. It's not horrible. It's okay. Last but not least, I don't know what these are called, guys. I'm sorry if you are Asian and you're watching this. What is this called in English? And it's open because this is the only thing that I just decided to just let Kaden eat, okay? Because he was asking for the snacks. Kaden, look at you leaning back like you ate a whole elephant. Come on. So these are just like little faces of animals. This is a little bunny. I think there's different little faces of animals and like animal shaped cookies. I can have a little bird, little birdie. No, I don't like it. It's nice. It's not nice. I don't like it. I just don't like it. It's dry. The crunch is good. It has very little amount of sugar in it. I'm not saying that it should have like a crazy amount of sugar, but for goodness sakes, if you're gonna be a cookie, you know, you need to, you know, have some type of flavor, you know, that will have somebody wanting to eat more and more of it. This is something that I would eat with some tea, because it's not too sweet. It's giving rusks in the shape of animals. So you don't want it. You see, you also don't like it. You like some more sweet. Okay, Kaden has decided this is his favorite. I'm sure this is a 10 out of 10 for him. This one? You want some bunny sweet?
I don't want this.
So this is our last. Okay, guys, it's just me now. Kaden has ditched us. It's hard to film with a kid, but this is our last chip. It's called Fishda. Fish Kropeck. It looks like something that they sell at Woolies. You guys, hey guys, those fish. I don't know why it's so like, this is crazy, but I guess it's to preserve it so that it doesn't get stale. Guys, I opened it and it was just a woof of crawfish, just the ocean. It smells very fishy. Okay, very fishy. Let's hope that it doesn't taste it. Okay, I don't want. It's gonna obviously taste fishy because it's called Fishda, but let's hope that it's not like overpowering. It's crunchy but so soft. The more you crunch, it just melts on your tongue. This is really good. It doesn't taste as bad as the bag did when I opened it, so that's a good thing. But It's fishy, but not intense. I really like these actually. Can you tell? Okay. We're moving on to the drinks, guys. So I will be doing the 2-time spicy noodle challenge. However, I will be doing it in another video, which will be accompanied by a story time. So you guys look out for that video, and you will see me attempting this 2-time spicy challenge. I do not like spicy food because you know what? My stomach is way too weak for spicy food. So let's move on to the drinks, guys. This is Milkis refreshing milk and yogurt flavored drink. I think it says drink because the last word there is in some Asian language, guys. If you're Asian and you're watching this, please let me know what language it is. This is 13 bucks, guys. Outside market is very affordable. I think I spent 500 bucks. Okay, that doesn't sound a little expensive, but let's taste it. Tisha, can you open that for him, please? Milk and yogurt flavor? This is not milk and yogurt flavor.
It's not for you. I'm not eating it.
It tastes like, what's that drink, that green drink? It's not Pepsi nor Mirinda, it's
Twist on it.
no, but it's along the lines of those brands.
Mountain Dew. Miranda.
Yes, no. It tastes like Mountain Dew.
Oh, that's good.
It's good, but it's not milk and yogurt flavor. Somebody lied, clearly. Now we've got some Chilsung Cider. Okay. Okay, guys, this is Chilsung Cider. It is a what is it? Lemonade lime soda. Whew, okay, has a kick to it. It has a lot of what is gas? Is it gas? A lot of gas. This one didn't have much though. It did, but it was really mild. It's like Sprite. It does taste like Sprite. Exactly like Sprite. Nothing new. We like Sprite. This is Tsingtao imported premium lager. This is an alcoholic beverage. Obviously, it's a beer. I don't know from which Asian country it's from. If you guys do know, please let me know in the comment section below. Obviously, I don't want to say it's from which Asian country. I don't want to offend anybody. That's why this video says South African mom and son trying Asian food. Okay, Asian snacks. That's why, because I don't know where each one of these snacks comes, but I do know that they come from Asia. So let's try this Tsingtao imported premium lager. Ooh, this tastes like, what's the one that we have in this country? I'll probably write it somewhere on the screen, but it tastes like something we already have in this country. It's very it tastes like beer. Beery. I don't drink beer, guys. I'm just tasting. No, it tastes just like the kind of beer that we have here. So nothing new. Last but not least, I have some sake, which I will be having with the 2-time spicy. Ooh. Ooh. Lord. That I will be having with the 2-time spicy noodle challenge in the next story time. Oh, Jesus Christ. Woo! It was all of that Chilsung Cider mixed with the Tsingtao premium lager. It's woo. Woo. smells vinegary. Almost, it's giving apple cider vinegar, actually. Oh, Lord. But I do know that this is rice wine. So, not you guys fighting for rabbits. White rabbit sweets in the cats.
We already have training.
Can I finish filming? Thanks.
Shh, finish that one.
Oh. Okay, let's taste this. I know I'm supposed to probably drink this in a wine glass, but nobody got time for that. Kaden, no. Woo! Guys. Guys, this doesn't taste good. It doesn't taste good at all. It's actually really strong for a wine. But it tastes like apple cider vinegar or some type of vinegar, a really strong fermented something. So, okay guys, so that's it guys. I'm gonna rate each snack from 1 to 10. So guys, pass the white rabbit sweets. These for me are gonna be an 8 only because it's hard and tough to chew and it takes a while for it to get to a point where it's manageable. Moving on to these pillows. These pillows I'd give them a 6, although they're easy to eat and they taste really good. It's not really anything special for me, of course. Ooh, these guys, let me know what these are in the comment section below. These are getting a 3 from me, and the only reason they're not getting a 0 is because you can actually have this with tea. Okay, then, my goodness. Moving right along to the Fishda fish Kropecks. I'd give these a 9. I really enjoy these. These are really delicious, even though the smell, when you open the packet, it smells like death. Okay, it smells a little fishy. Besides that, they were really delicious. The Peperos are going to get a 5 from me because I don't like Oreos biscuits at all. I don't like Oreos, period. The only Oreos I like are the ones, the new one, the latest ones that they made with the white chocolate. I like those. I'm gonna save the base for last, y'all. Yeah. Okay, so the Milkis refreshing milk and yogurt flavored drink, because it tastes like Mountain Dew, I'm gonna give it a 5 because it's nothing new, nothing special. Chilsung Cider. It's gonna get a 5 from me as well, only because it tastes like something I've already had. Tsingtao imported premium lager is going to get a 3 from me because I don't drink beer. I'm really disappointed about this rice wine because I thought it was gonna do something for me because I'm supposed to have this. I'm still gonna have some of it with my spicy noodles, but you know, I'm very disappointed that it tastes like apple cider vinegar. Last but not least, I'm done. Coconut wafer rolls, guys. Coconut wafer rolls. Please respect yourself and go and try these, okay? These are getting a 10 out of 10 for me because they were so good. They were so delicious. These are my midnight snacks. I will be gaining some hips from these snacks because you know when you eat off the 10 and you sleep, it just stays on your hips. I will be getting that fatty from these because these are my faves. And that is everything, guys. When did this happen?
Just restart the battery.
Everything.
Now. Don't worry, you don't have
Kaden, you're so rude.
Stop taking bunnies. You don't have an hour this time.
Come, go around and come.
You don't have an hour.
Rude. Come.
Did. Yeah.
Okay, guys, that was everything. That was all the snacks. Did you enjoy trying the snacks with mommy?
Yeah.
But you hardly had any. These guys pray for me. He's had like 5 white rabbit sweets. Okay, guys. that was it, guys. That was my first kind of trying of the foods. If you guys enjoyed my video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, comment in the comment section below, guys, answer my questions about these snacks, and share if you care. Everything that I've mentioned to you guys is free, and it's gonna help me through the algorithm, guys. I'm on the road to 300 subbies. Our little family is growing, and it's all thanks to you guys. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you immensely. Stay tuned for the next video. Check out your girls page, guys. I got a new banner up, a new profile picture, you know, and I've organized all of the playlists. I'm gonna make sure to upload one video for each playlist at a time, and not try to saturate one playlist more than the other. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in the next video.